Hello, so today I want to show you how to make this scallop and bar pattern. I've just done a sample for today and I'll go into how you do the foundation row in a couple of minutes. So the way you would start a row, and it makes a lovely baby blanket, this, is 3 chain up that counts as the treble, and then 1 chain extra for the chain across, and then you're going to do a treble, and I'm working in UK terms, treble into that treble below, and then into the middle, so it's made up of 5 trebles. Into the middle treble you're going to do 5 trebles, and that is really the pattern of the whole thing. And so many blankets are made from such simple stitches, but they give a really effective pattern to it. So you've come to your 5, and then we go treble into there, no chains in between. So the only chain that you do in between is in between these 2 trebles. So 1 chain, and then treble in there, and then we're back to the scallop in the middle. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then again straight into the treble with a treble. This is where you do your chain, and then a treble, and then straight across. So if you want to make a blanket, you kind of work out the size you want it, and that's going to be the bottom of the blanket. Make a chain as long as that, and then to do the foundation row, let me just finish off how to show you how to finish off. So at the end you've got your treble and a chain, and then you're going to go into that 3rd chain up, and then all you do for the next row is exactly the same again. So leave yourself 2 at this end, and then as many scallops as you want across. So the way I started it, row of chains, and then I did 1 treble into the 6th chain from the hook, and then you missed 2 chain. So you 1 treble into the 6th chain from the hook, so it's this side, isn't it? 1 treble into the 6th chain from the hook gives you 2 trebles really, and then you missed 2 chain, and then 5 trebles into here, and then you do 1 treble into the next treble, 1 chain, miss a chain, 1 treble into the next chain, and then you just keep repeating that. So you miss 2 chain, do your scallop, which is your 5 trebles, miss 2 chain, 1 treble into the next, and then 1 chain, miss a chain, 1 treble into the next chain. So it is really simple pattern to follow, and I'm popping on lots and lots of these easy blankets that you could gift. So if you want more content like this, I would really appreciate a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.